Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kitchen Discovery. As you can see, today we're making delicious, fluffy, sweet and tasty Nigerian puff puff. Without wasting more of your time, let's jump into it. I started by sieving my flour to make sure there's no depth, no lumps inside your flour so that it will not spoil our buns. After that, you add your your dry ingredients together. You can use milk if you or milk flavor, but for business purposes I advise you use milk flavor because of the cost effect. Add your nutmegs and the rest of things. Just check my description box, you will see the whole ingredients I use on this with their measurements. You can multiply if you are making in large quantity. There's no any other way of doing it in large quantity. It's just for you to multiply the ingredients, and get the quantity you want. Stay till end. I will show you the quantity I'm able to produce with this quantity of flour, and so that you will be able to multiply in case you have a party or you're selling. Wash your hands thoroughly if you really want to use your hand, otherwise make use of your spatula, but the best way of mixing it is your hands. After mixing it to get the consistency you want, the next thing is to beat it very well. As you mix it well and beat it, that's the only way you can get it fluffy. Without mixing it this way, mixing it very thoroughly, you're not getting that fluffiness. Cover with your cling film or foil paper, or you can use any nylon that you can find in the kitchen to just make sure you cover it to not to have access to air inside, and put it inside in any dry place. I normally use inside my oven or microwave. You can do that and leave it to rise for 15 to 20 minutes and bring it out. Try and beat it again in order to remove that air, remove the air before frying it. Please subscribe, turn on your notification. Better ones are on the way. You will not regret subscribing. Share it to your friends and families. Feel free to put down any comment at all, any question on the comment section. I will be there to answer everything. Thank you. Fry in a very deep. Make sure the oil is very hot before putting your buns. Not that hot that you can burn your buns. You can try it with small. If your buns rise immediately you put it, you know that the oil is okay, it's hot enough. Mold small to the size you want. If you are selling, just make sure you maintain a particular size for all your moldings. Now, for those of us that like pepper and onions inside, make sure your buns have risen enough when you bring it out of the microwave after resting for 15 to 20 minutes. That is when you are going to add your pepper and onions. Slice fresh pepper, fresh onions, and put it to the consistency, the quantity you want it in. Don't jam pack it, just make it minimal. Then mix it well and fry. Don't put it before mixing, you might spoil your mixture. In this video I was able to use one particular mixture, share it into two and get the two different types of puff from it, pepper and plain one. If you are frying your puff puff, don't leave the kitchen, don't give it space, keep turning until golden brown. You know why? Your buns or puff puff will come out well colored. You won't see it different colors anyway. Now our puff puff is ready. This one is the one with pepper, my favorite. Yes.
can see how fluffy it looks. No no holes inside. Well made, you understand? This is the plain one. Which one do you prefer? Please let us know in the comment section. And bye.